What's up, everybody? Mark here from ThemeRhino.com. Welcome to a new YouTube video. Today we're going to be going over a little bit of the new UI changes, and also in accordance with, we're also going to be going over some changes, like a little tutorial of how to set it up using the Themato Shopify theme from, of course, the one and only Themato.com. Without further ado, for those who don't know, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description box to Themato, as always, and as usual, also to Wolf of Shopify, and all those different links in the description. Those who are new to the YouTube, welcome. Today we're going to go ahead and get started and talk about some of these new changes. Yesterday, I announced these new changes on Shopify. Specifically, what we're talking about is the user interface. And you know, you guys have jived with it. You guys have enjoyed that video from what I could see. And so we're going to have to do a little bit of a quick tutorial, a short tutorial, because I noticed somebody in the comments of the video said something like they don't like the new UI updates. And listen, guys, I'm in the same boat as you. At the end of the day, we are customers, we are users of Shopify. There's really nothing we can do. We can't tell Shopify do this or do that. But what we can do is we can learn the platform, and that's what we're going to do here in this video. And it will be in addition to help you guys learn about how to use the theme and different, give you guys maybe spark some ideas for your business and get things going. I know for me personally, the thing that sparks up ideas for me to help myself, boost myself in new businesses, and start these passive income businesses that I like to do, is I like to look at what other people are doing. So this is just a quick video. Maybe it will spark some of your guys' attention. So Themato.com is one of those places where you can get a one-product Shopify store, or excuse me, a one-product Shopify theme, not the actual store. You're going to have to build the actual store. You can go to their website. I mean, I'll leave the link in the description, like I said. They talk about what they offer. They do have sales guys, so unfortunately, I don't have an affiliate coupon or affiliate discount. Once there is one, I'll let you guys know, but you can use code SUMMER to get 10% off. I know I did when I got it, so let's go ahead and continue. Anyways, so this is the theme. I've been working on it, one product store. You guys have been seeing me work on it throughout time. And don't mind this little Google Translate thing. This is, for some reason, it's stuck on my computer. I don't know why. It has nothing to do with the theme. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to edit the video today. I'm going to show you also how to add these little store features, is what I call them. So let's go ahead and jump right in, of course, using the new, I guess you could say, user interface. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about the video feature first. The video feature is one of those things in this Shopify theme, the Themato Shopify theme. Like I said, keep in mind, every company is different as to how they create their Shopify themes. Okay, Shopify is one of those things that, if you're a creative person, you can customize your theme in any way, or at least for most people, not for everybody. But for the theme creators behind Themato, setting up the video is a little bit different, and I was very confused how to set it up at first. So for those who want to know how to set it up, you'll be able to see that, and you'll also, in the meantime, see how I'm editing using the new user interface. So since this is the video that I'm looking for, I want to look for on the left, where is the video section? Where can I edit the video? Or change it here on the left. So I'll look for, in the bold here, I'll look for anything video related. So here it says Themato products, and if I click on it, it will tell me, it will show me what, banner, what section it is. Okay, this is definitely not it. If I click on this is the gallery, this is not it. So let me minimize here which ones it's not it, right? Themato image and text, I can click on that, and it's actually right here, so this is not it. I can click on the gallery, this is not it. Right? Let's take a look at the lookbook here, which, since I clicked on it, it showed me here. This is not it. So we're playing like a little game of hide and go seek here. But here's the policy section. We'll be editing later, so I'll leave that opened. And then finally, the video section right here. So this is what we're going to be editing now. With Themato, whatever you want to call it, this is the Shopify theme where you have to have the actual video and you upload it to Shopify. Now, I'm going to have a few recommendations here. Shopify let's just go back here. Or maybe I can open link in a new tab. Who knows? Yeah, so I can go. Alright, anyways. Shopify is one of those platforms where they limit what kind of files that you can upload to your Shopify store. Ever since this new user interface change, which is a few days ago, you can't search the word files here anymore to get to your files, right? Like if I search files, it doesn't show up here. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go here to settings. This is to upload the video, guys, and hit the files button. I know it's just a little extra work, but it's okay. It's something that you got to do. It is what it is. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to have to upload a file that's smaller than 20 megabytes. Now why does that matter and why is that even relevant to what we're doing here? Well, the reason why it matters is because you can't upload any larger video than that to Shopify. These are not the theme rules, right? But this is Shopify's rules. And Shopify has these rules because, let's face it, if there's millions of users and they all upload a whole bunch of videos, well, their servers are going to run out of space. They're just not going to be able to afford it. So you're going to have to upload a video that represents your product in 20 megabytes or less. Now, I'm going to go ahead and upload it here. So let me go ahead and just pause my screen and upload. And you could see here, I just uploaded a video successfully. So let me just make sure I'm recording. Yep. I uploaded a video now right here. So I have a few recommendations with your video, guys. Your video wants to be very, very clear about what the product is, but it needs to be almost a lookbook style video. Meaning, if you go to the actual Shopify theme, let's go to Themato here on the Shopify theme. Let's hit customize and let's get back to the video. Or, here it is rather. I, by mistake, opened two links, but whatever, you guys get the point. If we go down to the actual video, notice that it doesn't play any volume. At least not that I know of. It doesn't play any volume, and the button, the play button, there is no play button. It just auto starts for you. So you want to use that to your advantage. You want to keep that in mind when it comes down to uploading a video. So you want to just show essentially, and this is the way I look at it, is the same way they're making this video, where they're showcasing like the watch, right? You want to keep that in mind. So this is the pre-built video that's installed when you get your Shopify theme from Themato. Now this might change. You guys, for those who are watching this maybe later into the year, maybe months and months after I post this, or even days after I post this, you never know. Themato might change what they're doing, okay? So if you guys don't see this video, I mean, maybe ask support or just look deeper into your theme or whatever the case may be. And of course, obviously, this doesn't apply to all themes. But the way we're going to do this is we're going to go back to our files. Okay? So we're going to go to theme settings. We're going to go to our files. And we're going to copy and paste the link of the video that we just uploaded. Notice how my video is 19 megabytes. You can minimize your video, guys, by going to a video minimizer. There's a whole bunch of them on Google. Just search video minimizer and you can minimize them. But keep in mind the video has to be structured in a way, if you're going to use video, to show off the product without any volume, without any talking or anything like that. Just show off the product in a lookbook style fashion. Okay? So let's go over here back to the video. Let's scroll down and let's go to the link and let's just hit X on the link that's presently here. Notice how the video disappears. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste that very link that we just copied. So let's go ahead and paste it and let's click the button up here. And basically now it's going to open up the new file to our new video. Notice how our new video starts playing automatically. Now what this video is, guys, this video is just to match the Alpha Elite hat kind of thing. Because you guys know I've been creating a store on how to, set up the Alpha Elite hat store. And I just grabbed a YouTube video from Alpha Elite and edited it down to a few seconds, like 50 seconds or 40 seconds. And I minimized the video, and here it is. So let's just go ahead and hit save now. So saved the progress. And guys, just keep in mind this green bar at the top here, when it loads, that's the loading for the video. Okay, when people enter the website brand new, here it's going to show up. Okay, at the beginning of the video, and it's just going to constantly replay like that. Okay, now you could change the button about what it says here. So in the video, let's see what the button says. It says AL about us. I'm probably meant to say all, but let's just add the all about us. And this could be an about us section. It could be a purchase now button. It could be whatever you want it to be. Okay, so you can change that. For me, I don't even need to have a button. I could remove it, right? Because it's literally just a video, right? So it's up to you how you want to do it with this specific theme. This specific theme is a little bit different. Now, for those who are using other themes where you upload a video, keep in mind that not all themes are created equal. You guys have heard me say this before, and you're going to hear me say it a million more times in the future. When I say not all themes are created equal, meaning not all themes have the same features. A lot of the things that beginner Shopify users think that if they just buy one theme, automatically the next theme is going to have all the same features, and that's not the case at all, really. So with this theme, I could remove the button, it will autoplay and do all that. For other themes, that might not be the case at all, so just keep that in mind. Now let's go ahead and go into this section here when we edit, but without further ado, let's save. So, quick reminder, always save your progress. From what I know, at least right now, Shopify doesn't have an auto-save feature, so if you're not saving your work continuously, you can get screwed. Your computer could die, anything could happen, and your work can disappear. Your computer could freeze, and you'll be screwed, and you'll have to start all over. So keep that in mind, guys, all right? Now, let's go over here to this section. Now, what this section is what I call your store features. Now, the features differ from store to store, okay? If I was buying from a supplement company, let's say, and I'm like a vegan, and I'm really health conscious, and let's just say I was really all about, like, animal cruelty-free products, right? So I don't want animals to be tortured in the process. I'm a vegan, I'm a tree lover, and I'm looking to buy some protein, right? Well, in that case, the store policies have to communicate a certain message to me. Does that make sense, guys? So I see a lot of people do store policies incorrectly. You have to put yourself in the customer's shoes and think, okay, what is the store policies really, what does the customer really want to see? What does the customer really want to benefit from? So let's just go back to that example. If I'm a tree hugger, I'm a tree lover, right? And I like the vegan products. And by the way, no derogatory terms. I'm not here to insult anybody when I say tree hugger. I'm a nature lover, so you guys get my point. But let's say I wanted to buy protein powder, but I'm a vegan. I don't eat animals. Let's just say, you guys know I love a good steak, but you guys get my point, right? Let's just say that's the case. Well, if I was a supplement company and that's my main client, right? That's my ideal customer. This is why I tell you guys, you have to create a customer avatar, or it's called a canvas. You have to create a canvas. A canvas is, you have to figure out who your ideal customer is. You'll be able to document that through here. So maybe one of the features would be animal cruelty-free animal products, right? That could be it. Or if I was vegan, it could be 100% vegan certified, right? Or maybe another product, another feature could be, no animals were harmed in the making of products, or vegan friendly, or whatever the case may be. In our case, we're selling hats, so it really doesn't, to be honest, it really doesn't matter, especially for this brand. If you guys know anything about Alphalete, let's go to alphaleteathletics.com. If you guys know anything about this company, people don't buy because of the no offense, but the very first reason why people buy this brand is not because of what fabric was being used, or the certain designs. Yes, the designs are impeccable, they're phenomenal. Like, look at these shorts, right? It looks very official, like a good multi-million-dollar company set this product up, right? Which is what I always tell people is, put your business in a stance to where it looks like a multi-million-dollar company, okay? Nobody wants to buy from a company that looks like it's doing okay. Nobody wants to do that. Everybody wants to buy the top best thing, even if they are discount-type buyers. They still want to get the best thing for their money. So my point here is that the reason why people buy or have become aware about this product is because of the YouTube presence that Alphalete brings. Do you guys know what I'm saying? Like, majority of people who know about Alphalete know about it because of YouTube, right? That's majority of people, and this is based on my assumption, and my assumption is right, okay? that majority of people know about it because of YouTube. And that has opened the doors for the purchase of this product. Majority of people who are buying the product are not, customer fabric aficionados. They're not, checking whatever you want to call it, the description of the product, saying, okay, so this product is 46% polyester and 55% this and 20%. Nobody's doing that when they're buying from alphalete.com, okay? So my point here is you have to figure out and put yourself in the shoes of a consumer what those benefits are, okay? Once you figure out what those benefits, you could go over here to this website called flaticon.com, and they have a whole bunch of different icons, okay? And you could grab these icons as images and put them right here. Okay, now I'll show you kind of how that works. So let's just say we're a supplement company, okay, and all of our products are vegan. Let's say I download this image. Okay, let me make sure. I believe the image is 512 by 512, but we're about to figure that out in just a minute. So we want to go to this section, and I know where it is right here. It's the policy section, and where it says 30-day return is going to be the first one I edit. We're just going to upload that image. So we're going to be dragging and dropping here. And you can see here, it's uploaded. So, boom, there the images. We can hit select, and we can edit the text. So, instead of 30-day return, we could say vegan friendly. Okay? Now, you guys see what I did here. Vegan friendly. I could just write vegan. I could write whatever I want, basically. Okay? Now, this is what you guys need to figure out, is what are those those benefits that the consumer truly wants. The number one reason I have found that people don't know how to make money online, right, when it comes down to Shopify, is because, no offense, but they think about themselves. They don't think about what the customer wants, right? I remember when I was creating my first clothing brand, I was lucky enough to think about what I wanted in the clothing brand that happened to also be and also align with what the consumers wanted, which could be in a rare case. But majority of the times, because guys, 90% of businesses fail, majority of the times, we business people, we don't do that. We make the mistake by giving people what we think they want, what we want, but not what they want. So you got to figure out what they want. So in this case, obviously this product is a little bit different. And since it's, let's say it's a one product store from Alphalete, well then maybe some of the, the benefits might be free shipping, fast shipping, and free returns. That might be the three benefits of mine. And it doesn't have to be 3 also. For those who don't know, you can add a whole bunch more benefits. And the reason why it looks all jumbled up here and doesn't look right is because you have to actually upload the products. You have to set up how many you want, things like that. And you kind of set it up the way you want to. So just be aware of that. Now, to edit the whole entire section, right, you click on this little top that says the policy, and then you want to add the little, things here. So if you want a width of 3 out of 12, then you could do that, right? If you want a width of, let's say, 8 out of 12, you can do that. If you want a width of 2 out of 12, you could do that. So you want to just be aware. When we talk about width, it's just different, situations here. We have 3 out of 12. We have a whole bunch of different things. So we have the mobile, we have the tablet, and we have here the desktop. So just be aware of that. We can also change things like the colors of the border. We can set up borders. We could set up a whole lot of things here. So, like, for example, this top border, I can make it red. Okay, and it will change to red. Right there. I can make the background colors black. I could do or brown or whatever you want to call it. I could set it up really the way I want. But just for you guys, just like an FYI for you guys to understand, is that you can customize this whatever you want, and the theme allows you to do that. For me, I like a clean white. And I actually got the idea of like doing a clean white because I tried going like a black background kind of route, and I think it was a little bit harder, easier said than done, basically, put it that way. I tried setting up certain things in the background. You have to have your images set up a certain way. You have to have your store set up a certain way. And white is always cleaner. It's always easier. I'm not going to say that it's going to get you more conversions or less conversions. I'm just saying that, white is easy peasy, basically. That's really all I got to say for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, this video, guys, help you, gave you a little bit of a better stance on how to edit with the new UI, right? We're going to do more videos in the future, but just as a short FYI, if you want to edit the whole section, click on the actual title, the bolded words. But if you want to edit the smaller parts of the section or the segments of the section, you just click on those and look to the right here, and you'll be able to do that, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.